Good morning, guys.
I was the one that got up in the middle.
I'm being interrupted in my intro. Good morning, guys. We're at winter camp right here. There's snow outside. There's snow. I'm being interrupted. We got Andrew out here, Tim, Jonah. We got the whole squad. You know things are gonna get lit.
Hey,
so
yo, it's your boy.
You guys ready for this? You ready?
Oh, that's so dope. Somebody touch my spaghetti.
Do the salted, or do the, where he's like this, yeah?
And the voyage to the corner of the globe.
A few moments later.
You have 2 free owners in your cabin?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it is.
And 2 vloggers?
Twerkity twerk. Alright, let's go. It's gonna jump to there.
Oh, look at that butt. Easy. Easy.
My butt's up there.
Action.
So if someone's gonna video from this angle, someone should just drop. We go in a row. You just drop down. Boom. I jump over you, and then we just run.
Oh yeah, I'll drop down and I video you jumping down.
No.
We shot just a shout out. Andrew has the better camera. I only have my GoPro, but he has a better camera. He's gonna be vlogging this too. So there's gonna be some crazy stuff going down. We're doing a lot today. We're doing this like just little sessions. We're going to a huge sledding hill. Then tonight, this is gonna be a separate video. I think on Andrew's channel we're gonna video a hide and go seek through this lodge, and it's gonna be sick. So go check out his channel. Yeah, you know. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, sure.
Go.
Okay. So I keep trying so freaking hard. Hold up. Yeah! Ow! I fell on my butt. Good, bro. Yeah, this vlog so far has just kind of been jumpy. We've been just screwing around right now. Out in the woods. Yeah, no, thank you.
I can do that.
Okay. See it. Yeah, so we've just kind of been all over the place right now. Just kind of screwing around. But, yeah, this is what life is right now. Good morning, guys. It's another day here in Greer, and we are.
The next shit brings it up.
Sorry. That never happened. We got Jonah still, we got Andrew, everyone's still alive. It might snow today. Hopefully, I pray that we get snowed in because that'd be pretty lit. That'd be lit. Josiah doesn't want to get snowed in. But yeah, now we're just doing green tea bottle flips. I am the one. I don't know. Ah! Hey, double.
2 hours later.
Dude, GoPro.
Yeah, boy.
GoPro vlog session. GoPro vlog session.
Mine sucks.
Wow.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. You just gotta send it.
Send it, my dude.
Oh. No. Ah. Holy. Ah. Ah. Yo! No! That was actually pretty sick. Look at this hill though. That's gnarly. I'm gonna send it, bro. I'm just gonna send it. Screw it. Send it! Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I need to do that again. 1, send it!
Oh, snap! Backwards!
It's snowing hard now. Episode of Freerunners versus Wild. The camera's blurry, it's intense, and I'm gonna show you how to make a shelter in the wilderness. It's too windy, you gotta hide. Cause now you gotta lay on your back in the snow. You gotta take your sled and you gotta cover your face and hide. Ah, get under! Ah! Ah, it's so cold! We're surviving! Oh no! Don't get lost by your group! Because you never know when you have to result in cannibalism! Ah! It's so cold! I'm done. I'm done. Ah, that hurts. We're trying our best to survive! We're trying our best to survive in these harsh weather. Getting thick. And the snow is beating down hard. Very hard. Ah! Dude, this hurts so bad. I know, dude. Hold up. We need to find shelter.
My brother.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, show the camera what we're looking at right now.
Not as bad as I was though. We made snow shelter. A little bit of shelter from the wind and the snow.
This is intense.
We gotta keep moving. Ah. I don't know. I think we're gonna die. Some deep snow. We're getting there. It's a little bit. Those trees are blocking the wind just a little bit. This is intense. Ah. Andrew's shoes came inside. Number 1 rule of survival: always keep your shoes tied.
No, it's always stay dry.
or I always stay dry. Trying to survive out here. We're gonna make it. I think we're gonna find our destination and we're gonna survive. I think Andrew's dead. One step, when you have a dead body on your hands, gotta cover him up. We'll miss you, Andrew. You gotta pack him in. Oh, he's alive! He's alive! He's alive! We're good. We're good, guys. Hold up. We need. Wait, hold up. We need to write a message just in case anybody comes this way.
Oh, you jokester! Oh.
We made it to our campsite. We're gonna survive for tonight, it looks like. But stay tuned for the morning where we may or may not make it out alive. I'm so close. Oh gosh. This is our shelter for the night. I believe so. I'll see you guys in the morning. Think I'm gonna sleep for tonight. Take it easy. Maybe build a fire if we can with all this wet wood. We've got some shelter here. We've got this tree to block us from the wind and the snow. And I think we might just make it. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. This is the morning now. Good morning, guys. It's the morning. It was a long, exhausting night. Little sleep. It was intense. I think everybody's up now, exploring. It was freezing last night. I think Jonah went to take a piss. Andrew, Tim, Amanda, I think is her name. Micah. They all went up the mountain to go explore a little bit. But it's the morning. I'm still exhausted. We'll see if we can find food, maybe some water. Might have to drink my own piss. I don't know yet. Let's do this. On the way down, so shout out to Andrew. Do you want to shout out your Instagram or anything? Even though you're gonna get more views than me.
It's Andrew Peterson with no vowels except the A.
Wow.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see it, John.
Okie dokie.
Yep.
Stone it.
Stone it. You go faster on your stomach.
Of course, I can't see it.
Okay, you
I
ready?
just want you to know,
What?
I'm not gonna have my hands out like that.
I know.
We're just going.
I'm not going in my stomach.
Okay, ready? Go.
Yep. We're gonna die. We're gonna wipe out so hard. What? What? Hold up.
What? No. You. This does not work like that.
Just lie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sure. I was gonna ride you, like lay on you. Oh God. Okay.
Right. Hold on. Somebody push us.
Okay.
Somebody push.
Oh my god.
Oh God. Yo. Oh God. Oh God.
Snowing up.
Still going, bro. We still got a way to still go. Go on.
Look at the board.
We made it back finally, guys. It was actually like really intense and miserable, but it was a lot of fun. We made it back. Jonah's half naked right now.
Intense and miserable, but fun.
It was intense and miserable, but it was awesome. It was a good story to tell. I'm sure some funny clips.
Can I have some of your shit?
No.
Please?
No.
Oh yeah.
Don't be a jerk, man.
Don't be a jerk. So yeah, I think later tonight we're gonna play hide and seek for Andrew's channel, It's gonna be pretty lit. So we're just gonna chill for a while, and so I'll see you guys later whenever if we do something crazy or something stupid. I don't know, but yeah, peace. Everybody just keep our glasses.
I found you in the shower, but the water ain't running, and you still got all your clothes on. Products on the counter, and I put it all together. I just can't get you out of my head. Can't get you out of my head.